on the counter, all of the things that one needs. A voice in my conscience tells me I need it, but then my little wallet says no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Before I could fully realize it, you stumbled into my life. You captured my spirit and my soul. You turned my whole world upside down. You led me on a path to something, child. Something I know. When I see you in the morning, I want you, my darling. I want you to know I love you. I see you in the evening, you send my head reeling, but I know it cannot be true. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I could hear you say to me, baby, lather and repeat. I don't know what you're talking about. Lather and repeat. This must be some kind of code, I say to myself. Lather and repeat. I don't know why, but say it again. Lather and repeat, lather and repeat, lather and repeat, lather and repeat. Took me to your place and showed me your fine lace and hoped that I wouldn't come to. Then you undressed me and showed me your recipe for making my true love come true. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Morning came too soon, and like the wind, you were gone. I knew one thing for sure, baby. I knew one thing, and that was that I was gonna find you, child. I was gonna hunt you out, and I was gonna find you. Into the sunshine, I had you in my mind. All I could do was find you. Uptown and downtown and south side and north side, I screamed out, I shouted for you.